गुड मॉर्निंग गर्ल्स। कल 4D में आप लोगों को करवा रहा था। 4D की कुछ क्वेश्चंस और करवा रहा हूँ प्रैक्टिस के लिए, और उसके बाद ट्राई करके अपने डाउट्स मुझे व्हाट्सएप पर भेजिएगा ताकि नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आपके डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकूँ। ठीक है, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का फर्स्ट पार्ट, साइन 120 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है आपको। तो साइन 120 की वैल्यू होगी साइन 90 इंटू 1, 120 कैन बी रिटन एज 90 इंटू 1 plus 30. Now 1 is an odd number, it means trigonometric function will change. Now trigonometric function will change to cos, so it becomes cos 30. Cos 30 की वैल्यू होती है under root 3 upon 2, as you know that. Now the second thing is you have to find out whether the sign will be positive or negative. For that you can see that 120 degree lies in the second quadrant. Yes or no? And in the second quadrant sign is positive, so the sign will be positive. ठीक है, चलिए under root 3 upon 2 will be positive and it is the final answer as well. Now we will see its sixth part, cos 855. What is the value of cos 855? Again we will divide 855 by 90, so it becomes cos 90 into 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81, so it becomes 810. 810 plus 45 will give you 855. Yes or no? Now you can see again 9 is an odd number, so trigonometric function will change. Cos will become sin 45. Sin 45 will be 1 upon under root 2. Now we have to find out whether this answer will be positive or negative. How do we find out? Look at here, 90 into 9. 90 into 9 means 90 के 9 rounds. 90 के 9 rounds means 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, 4 round. It is very simple because after every 4 rounds you will come to the original position, starting position. So 4 round will end here. Again 4 round will end here. 4 plus 4, 8 rounds. ठीक है, I'll tell you once again. See 90, second round 90 का, third round 90 का, fourth round 90 का. So after every 4 rounds you will come to the starting point. So 4 plus 4, 8 rounds. 8 rounds you have done and you are here only. Plus 1, 9 rounds. ये 9 rounds हो गए. ये 9 rounds ही हमें करने थे, plus 45. So it will lie in the second quadrant because 9th round ends here, and after the 9th round you have to cover 45 degree more. So you will fall into the second quadrant, and the second quadrant cos is negative. So your answer will be minus 1 upon under root 2. So this is how you find the values of the trigonometric functions for bigger angle. एक और समझाता हूँ बेटा आप लोगों को। जैसे यहाँ लिखा हुआ है sec 15 pi by 4. Sec 15 pi by 4. This is the 8th part of second question. Sec 15 pi by 4. Now first of all convert this pi into degree. For that you will have to put the value of 180 as 4. This is 45. So sec 15 5s are 75, 15 4s are 60. This is 675. If you are not comfortable with sec, you can find the value of cos and after that you can reciprocal it. Hardly matters. Okay. So I am finding the value of cos 675. Then I will reciprocal. Okay. ताकि आप लोगों को क्लियर ढंग से समझ में आ जाए. 9 into 9 7s are 63, 630 plus 45. Now this is odd, so trigonometric function will change. This is very simple. Just understand the concept. Answer is sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 upon under root 2. Now you have to see that 675 will fall in which quadrant so that you can put the plus minus sign. 675 when divided by 90 gives you 7 as quotient. So it means you have to take 7 rounds of 90. So 4 rounds will come here. As I have told you, after every 4 rounds you come to the starting point. 5th, 6th and 7th. plus 45. It means fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant the value of cos is positive. So answer is plus 1 upon under root 2. And finally, since you have to find the value of sec, which is the reciprocal of cos, so the answer will be under root 2. This is how you find. I hope आपको clear होगा. और इस एक्सरसाइज के डाउट्स मुझे ज़रूर व्हाट्सएप पर भेजिए ताकि मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में सिर्फ डाउट्स लूँ, सिर्फ डाउट्स. ठीक है बेटा. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 says cos 300 multiply by sin 750 plus cos 1470 multiply by sin minus 1020. Now I just want to tell you one more concept, that sin minus theta is minus sin theta, tan minus theta is minus tan theta, cosec minus theta is minus cosec theta, cot minus theta is minus cot theta, cos minus theta will be plus cos theta, and sec minus theta will be plus sec theta. ये भी ध्यान रखिएगा, बिकॉज माइनस थीटा का जो एंगल है ये आपका फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में पड़ता है क्लॉकवाइज एंगल होने की वजह से, और फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में कॉस और सेक पॉजिटिव होते हैं, बाकी सारे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन नेगेटिव होते हैं. तो ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, याद रखिएगा. तो इस कॉन्सेप्ट के हिसाब से सबसे पहले तो मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, सबसे पहले मैं cos 300 into sin 750 प्लस cos 1470, और ये माइनस हो जाएगा, यहाँ माइनस लगा लेते हैं, इंटू साइन 1020. सबसे पहले तो यहाँ पर ये जो नेगेटिव थीटा है इसको मैंने पॉजिटिव कर लिया. अब इसके बाद एक एक करके वैल्यू निकाल लीजिए. cos 300 की वैल्यू cos 90 इंटू 9 4 जा 9 3 जा 270 प्लस 30. 3 इज ऑड. अब देखिए आप लोग भी जल्दी जल्दी करने लगेंगे अगर आप इस लेक्चर को पूरा समझेंगे तो. सो cos will change to sin because 3 is odd, and 300 will fall in the fourth quadrant. Yes or no? Now in the fourth quadrant cos is positive, so the answer will be positive. So final answer is 1 upon 2. Okay girls. Now next question पर आते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं, इनफैक्ट नेक्स्ट वैल्यू निकालते हैं. cos 1470 निकाल के बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको, और उसके बाद वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है सिर्फ. cos 90 इंटू, इफ यू डिवाइड 1470 by 90 it will be 90 ones are 90, 570, 9 6 are 54, 30. काफी टाइम के बाद इवन आया, इवन मल्टीपल. 90 into 16 plus 30. 16 is even. 16 is even. It means trigonometric function will not change here. So trigonometric function will remain same. Cos 30. Cos 30 is under root 3 upon 2. Again you have to find out whether the sign will be positive or negative. Same process. 90 into 16 means you have to take 16 rounds of 90. 16 is a multiple of 4. Remember girls, 4, 8, 12 and 16. After the 16th round you will come to the starting point. Very simple. Okay, you are here after 16 rounds plus 30. It means you will fall into the first quadrant. First quadrant, all trigonometric functions positive. So the answer will be plus under root 3 by 2. So similarly you have to find the value of 750, sin 750. How do you find the value of sin 750? Sin 90 into 9 8s are 72, again an even multiple, plus 30. So trigonometric function will not change. It will remain as sin 30. Final answer will be 1 upon 2. Again we have to check positive or negative. 90 into 8 means 8 rounds of 90. 4, 8. So we'll come to the starting point plus 30. You will fall into the first quadrant. Answer will be positive because in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. So this is how you find the values of different trigonometric functions First you have to see whether it is an even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90. After that you put the sign according to the quadrant. So I hope concepts are clear to you, and now you solve the questions, means try the exercise 4D, come up with your doubts and send me your doubts through our maths group. Okay, exercise 4D. So in the next class I will clear your doubts. I'll take the live class tomorrow. I know that tomorrow is Saturday, so I'll take the live class tomorrow maybe. So I'll talk to you whether the concepts are clear to you or not, and I'll clear your doubts in the live class. Thank you.